I can't believe it, but I actually found an electric bike that is dual motor for under $1,600. We're going to talk about that in today's video. It's the Orzel e-bike. It is available all over the internet. I'll put links to this down in the description section with that low price if you want to get something like this. But I'm going to see for under $1,600 for a dual motor e-bike, is it any good? We're going to find out. Let's get on the road. All right, guys, so I am out here testing out the Orzel e-bike here. This is a dual motor fat tire e-bike with a full suspension. So I'm gonna test out both of those things. So I wanna make sure that this has the suspension that it advertises. Already right off the bat, I can tell you I don't feel the bumps. I think it's really impressive. I feel the suspension a lot right in the seat area. Having that swing arm suspension with the monoshock, I think makes a huge difference. Having the fat tires alone is kind of a form of a suspension. But then this front fork suspension is really, really impressive. I can't feel anything. I think that's great. And having the two motors can take you places that a single motor can't take you. And now you can do it comfortably. So super impressed overall with the comfort level right off the bat. I will say here as I get into the specs that this e-bike is available a few different places. I know that I found this on Amazon, and after I got it, I found out that their website is actually it's on sale over there directly from them. It's even cheaper. So any prices that I mention at the end of this video or beginning of this video or at any point is going to be a little bit lower. So click the link that I provide down in the description because we're going to get you the best price on this if you want to get it. To have a dual motor electric bike for this price is insane. So let's talk motor. 2,000 watts of power, having distributed between the two motors. I think they're like 750 watt motors in the front and the back, and then you've got your the peak power as well. So you get about 2,000 watts of power out of this when you're hitting those hills. 25 amp hour battery. As you can tell, it's a big, huge battery here, so you're going to have good range on this as well. 26-inch tires, 4 inches wide. You're going to get good speed. I think I got like 28 miles per hour on this thing. You could get more though if you unlock the panel. That's something I have other videos on if you want to check that out. But you could easily get, I think actually I got 31 miles per hour on this thing as I'm testing it right now on flat land. But once I unlock it with dual motors, I'm gonna just fly on this thing. I know you can't really see it in this video, but this is a really big bright color display. It's an upgraded display that you usually only find on those $2,000–$3,000 e-bikes. And you're getting this for a really good price. And it comes standard with the front headlight, a pretty big headlight, also has a tail light and a nice big rack in the back. All right, guys, I went through all of the specs already while I was out there riding. I just wanted to give you kind of my final thoughts on this. I don't understand, and it baffles me how they could offer this e-bike for such a low price. It has everything that I look for in an e-bike. It's got the power, over 2,000 watts of power, distributed between two tires, so you can attack those hills a lot better having the two motors. It has this full swing arm suspension, monoshock here, controllers back here, huge battery, so you're going to have that long range. Comes standard with a back rack, comes standard with fenders, a big color display. I mean, this is a nice big color display. It's got single motor or dual motor setting. You could just hold down the minus for a couple seconds. It goes into two motors, so you can kind of conserve energy, get a little bit longer range if you don't have the two motors going, but you can switch between the two. It comes standard with a Shimano shifter, nice grip, nice brakes. The brakes work good, huge headlight, and look at these knobby tires, 26-inch, 4-inch wide tires. I'm just talking and talking, guys, because I can't believe the price on this e-bike is only $1,600. It just doesn't make sense. I've reviewed a lot of bikes that have, dual motors, and I have paid $3,000 or more for that. And there's a couple dual motor e-bikes that I reviewed recently on this channel that are affordable as well. This is definitely one of these. This is the cheapest one I've ever reviewed. I don't even understand how they do it. Maybe they're not paying the advertising because I've never actually heard of this company. So maybe they're just not paying for Super Bowl commercials or something, and they're saving a little bit of money. But I mean, I just don't get it. And it's got a great size. I'm 6 foot tall, so you can kind of see this easily could go up to like 6'5", or all the way down here to maybe if you're a 5'1" or something, you could probably ride this just fine. Kind of a step over design. I don't know if they have a step through design, to be honest with you. I don't know how they would with the battery here, but I'm speechless. For the first time in my life, I'm actually speechless. I can't believe the price on this thing, guys, for what you get having the 2 motors. I guess if you had an issue with, you know, motors or a battery or something like that, getting it serviced might be a little bit harder. I don't know. I can't figure it out. Like, I don't know why they have this so cheap. Maybe they're just trying to close it out. Take advantage of it, guys. If you want a e-bike that can go fast, and I mean fast. I took off on this thing. You can see it in the video. My drone couldn't keep up, and it's a pretty good drone that can keep up most of the time. Can't keep up with this e-bike. I had to slow down. I had to go slower than I would have liked to have tested this e-bike because of that. This just gets up and goes. 2 motors. I love it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to get one of these, I'll put links down in the description section where I got this. It's available a few different places all over the internet, but if you want to get this exact one, I'll put links to this. Huge thumbs up. Look at this suspension. I'm sorry, I'm distracted, but look at this, how long this suspension is on the front here. It's a compression too, completely lockable. Thumbs up on this guy. The Orzel right here, e-bike. Never heard of them, can't beat the price. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again, bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.